Hello and welcome to another Gaming Gaiden demo. In this demo, we are going to see how Gaming Gaiden help you track emulated games using Retroarch. Now, Retroarch is a very special case because it supports multiple platforms, and each platform is identified by the different core that it uses. Then there are some edge cases where you know a single core can support multiple platforms also. So tracking games uh, played by RetroArch automatically and cleanly is kind of a challenging task, but as you can see, Gaming Gaiden will be able to do it. So let's start. Application is starting. Okay, so we have it running. Let's first quickly look at the existing games. Okay, so we have a bunch of games over here. Now let's look at one of the platforms I use RetroArch for, SNES. You can see only one game is registered, Pocky and Rocky 2. Uh, and let's quickly see how this platform looks like. So go to Edit Emulator. We'll select SNES from here. Okay. As you can see, it uses RetroArch, and the core that I use is for SNES 9X LibRetro. Okay. All right. So let's find a platform that is not added as of now. Okay, so as you can see, Genesis or Mega Drive is not there among the platforms that are currently tracked. Okay, so we'll quickly add that. Add emulator. It's too bright. I'll close this list. Okay, so we are going for platform Genesis. Emulator will remain RetroArch. Select the executable. See, when it automatically detects RetroArch, it asks you to select the code also. In the previous demonstration where we showed a non-RetroArch emulator using PPSSPP, this option didn't appear when we registered the PlayStation Portable platform. So whenever it will detect RetroArch, it will also ask you to add the core. Okay, so we'll first select the core. So for Genesis, I use Genesis plus GX. Open. ROM extensions. Now, I use all my ROMs as zip, but you can give other extension whichever you use. Just the file extension. Don't use the dot in front of the file extension. If you use multiple extension, you can give it as a comma separated list. Although I don't know what would be another extension that you will use with Genesis game. So for now, I'll leave it at zip. Okay, all these instructions are also there in the manual of the application. We'll see it in one of the other demonstrations. Okay, so for now, platform Genesis, we have selected the executable, we have selected the core because the executable was RetroArch, and we have given the ROM extension as zip. So let's save the platform. Okay, Genesis has been saved. Just to verify, you can go and check emulator once more, and you should see Genesis appearing there. All right. Okay, so now you have registered the platform. Just like we saw in the case of standalone emulator, you only have to register the emulator. You don't have to register any game. All games will be auto-detected. Okay, so let's start emulation station. Go to Mega Drive right here, and let's play Contra. I'll reduce the volume. Volume is already less. So as you can see, Retro has started. We're playing Contra. The recording icon, which shows you that you are recording a game, should appear anytime. It has already appeared right here. Tracking Contra hard cops. Okay. We'll play for some time. just to give application some time to record. This game is absolutely chaotic. So many things happen on screen all at the same time that you sometimes are not able to keep track of the bullet that is coming your way, and that kills you. Stupid. Oops. Give me the power. These homing rockets are absolutely useless in terms of damage they do. Okay, so maybe we'll kill just this mini boss and then close the game. Let's make him rest. Ray is chill. He doesn't care that a giant is coming up behind him. You know what? Screw it. Ha ha ha. Okay, enough, destroying giant robots. So let's close the application. Close the emulator station. You can see this icon or disappeared. Now let's go and check the games list. See, Contra Hard Cops. We only registered the emulator and the core. It has automatically detected the ROM name. Platform Genesis. We played for 3 minutes. Default status as playing. And on 13 minutes. Now, see, we used Retroarch to play Genesis using the Genesis core. Now, if I launch another game, which is for a different platform, say an SNES, for which I also use Retroarch, that game will be automatically detected belonging to SNES and will be registered as such. Let me demonstrate that as well for you. So, depending on the core, it will automatically identify which platform the game belongs to. So quickly, if I go to edit emulator, and I'll show you SNES right here. Okay, you see it has a different core. This is what it uses. This is what the gaming Gaiden uses to identify games that belong to SNES. Okay, so let's cancel it and let's start a SNES game. Super Nintendo. Let's start Aladdin. As you can see, the recording icon has appeared at the bottom. Says tracking Aladdin. Get a heart. One up. That's the most lame ass arrow shot that I've ever seen. Yay! Beetle. I want the beetle. Eat an apple, my friend. Half the fun in this game is just scaling heights. Going very, very high for no reason at all. And Aladdin is a Superman who doesn't get hurt no matter how high he falls from. Okay, I think we have played enough. I'm not very sure. Okay, let's close it. Maybe we'll see what happens. Okay, shut down the emulation station. Let's go look at my games. As you can see, Aladdin has been detected and registered against the platform SNES. Played for 2 minutes. Okay, same story. We want to change the icon. So just because by default, whenever a emulated game is detected, its icon will be set to this cute cartridge. But you can change it. Okay, so let's change for Contra. Contra. Oh, God. Amazing game, man. When I was a kid, I finished it completely. These days, I'm not able to do it. Okay, so we have saved it. Close it. So, what was I doing? Yeah, edit game. Edit game. Search for Contra. Outcomes. Edit icon. Go to downloads. JPG. There. Perfect. Okay. Updated. Alright. And let's look at it again. You can see icon has been updated. So yeah, Retroarch games fully supported, different platforms automatically detected using different cores, and that's it for the Retroarch demonstration. Thank you.